Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily see which apps has access to your Google account. So in order to do this, first you'll have to run to your browser. And now you'll have to go on to google.com. If you haven't logged into your account, you'll have to log in first, and then when this page shows up, you will have to click on the profile icon right here. And now you'll have to click on manage your Google account. Once you're in here, you will have to click on the security option from the left side. And now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see this option called third-party apps with account access. So this shows all the apps which you have given access to your Gmail account. So you have to click on manage third-party access. And now you can see all those apps which have the access of your Google account. See that? And now you can see all those websites as well. See, all these websites have my Google account access. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.